Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, traction control, backup camera, power driver's seat, air conditioning, auto express down window, cruise control, hands-free link system, climate control, side airbag system. Come take a test drive today.